Do you have an idea for a business that you just know will be a success? Or do you already have a business and want to enjoy the success you dream of? Chances are the only thing keeping you from achieving your dream is the money to make it happen. There is a lot of money out there. The people with the money are always looking for their next opportunity. The question is, how do you get your hands on the money you need? You can apply to bank, you can apply for an SBA loan, you can apply with other types of lenders. There are many options, but a simple reality is true for all of them. The people with the money will only lend to you if they know you will be able to pay them back. They need to know your business will be profitable. They require a rock-solid business plan. Without a great business plan, it is 100% guaranteed that you will not get the money. You may have a plan in your head and some notes, but that just isn't good enough. You need it on paper with lots of spreadsheets, projections, and details. Most good business plans are 50 to 100 pages or longer. That's where we help. We help people just like you get the money they need every day. We know how to develop a rock-solid business plan that your lender will love. We work with the money people all the time. We speak their language. We know what they are looking for. So now you have a choice. You can try to do this on your own, but that will take a lot of your time, be very frustrating, and frankly is a recipe for failure. Or you can talk to us. We'd like to get on a call with you for about 30 minutes. During that time, we will help you find the best strategy to get the money you need to turn your great idea into reality. Whatever your biggest challenges are to making this happen, we've seen them before and we know how to overcome them. To get started, go to our calendar and pick a time you would like us to call you, or just call the number on the screen. The cost? Absolutely free. We can't wait to show you the shortcut to the money that will help you achieve your dream. Schedule a call or give us a call right now.